I take care of it. Now, these have washable filters. Y'all know that you just flip the front open. You flip this front open, pull the filters out, wash them, dry them off, stick them back in. The outdoor condensers, like any other condenser nowadays, water only, no coil cleaner. The yellow tint that's on those coils out there now is a acid treatment so that they don't corrode. So that's why they don't use coil cleaner on them anymore. Just straight water. I know that's not y'all's rodeo, it'll be the PM guy's rodeo, but I'm just telling you because y'all need to pass it along. None of the three have pumps on them. They're all gradually gravity drained, so you don't have to worry about condensate pumps.
Is that all you have to go over on the split? Okay.